Well, hello sunshine! Ito na naman ako sa aking pag-gardening kasi we just got finished with our annual inspection. So magre-relax muna tayo. This is my way of clearing my mind kasi nga katatapos lang ng mga paperworks, and this is what I like about my job, that I can switch off the yung mga stress parts of it and then try to clear my head by just doing some spring cleaning in the backyard of the group home. Kasi nga malapit na mag-summer, so I need to prepare the spot where I'm gonna put all my seeds, katulad ng mga seeds na bigay ni TG Heart, my puso. So, piniprepare ko na yung backyard. Sa group home po ito. And then, what I like about my job, I can go to work just wearing casual or even like pajamas. It doesn't matter as long as I'm there. No need to wear scrubs or uniforms. Ganyan ka, para ka lang bang pupunta sa bahay. It's like another bahay. And of course, this is like in the late afternoon, mainit pero it's kind of breezy, so ang sarap maglinis. Usually ginagawa to ng boss ko, kaso grabe, for the whole week, ang daming ginawa ng boss ko, nag-clean up ng mga garage, and then, excuse me, he's been back and forth, like throwing all the old stuff, like yung mga old, yung mga wheelchairs, yung mga walkers, mga bed frames. So can you imagine, isa lang siya, lalagyan niya lahat sa trailer yon and then going to bring it to the dumpster. So it's a bit of a hard work for him, pero this is, parehas kami, we both love gardening. So since medyo downtime naman ako, and while waiting for the patients to come from school, eto nga, pinakailaman ko ang backyard. So usually I don't do this here, pero sa bahay kasi I don't do it anymore dahil nga nung nag-Milton and namatay lahat ng halaman ko, I was so frustrated, devastated. Because kung maalala nyo, di ba, meron akong succulent na mga babies na inalagaan, and they're growing really fine until binaha. So most of them were wiped away. Pero syempre ganun talaga, it's a cycle of life, even for plants. So move on na lang with the rest of yung nakasurvive. So dito, wala kaming puno talaga sa likod bahay ng group home where I work. Kaso yung mga kapitbahay, nakita nyo lalaki ng mga puno. So lahat ng mga branches, it goes over the bakod. Kaya ayan ang nangyayari. All the leaves, dry leaves, dead leaves, it goes towards the backyard. Syempre, nandiyan yung mga kadyos ko yung kadyos, may mga mango, mga mango seedlings na nandiyan. And of course, baka naman maano sila, ano ba tawag doon, yung parang hindi sila makahinga sa dami ng mga dead leaves. Kaya, pero usually, inaano lang yan ng boss ko, dinadaanan niya lang ng yung pangkat ng grass, so we can have a bedding of parang mulch. So ayun na nga, so nasa isang bag pa lang ako, pawis na ako, pero it feels good na magpapawis. And of course, I try as much as I can to fill up yung bag na yan, kasi sayang din naman yung bag kung hindi mapupuno. Pero it's not a good idea kasi nung napuno, Diyos ko, ang bigat, hindi na talaga ako bata. Tsaka ang bagal ko na. As you can see, mukha lang ako mabilis yan because I speed it up. Pero hindi, mabagal na ako. I guess when you reach a certain age, talagang yung skills mo or your strength is different from when you're younger. Kasi when I was younger, in my 40s, I can stay in the backyard all day. Walang sakit ng katawan, walang iniinda. Pero before I started doing yung sa backyard, cleaning up the backyard, uminom na agad ako ng Tylenol. Pinangunahan ko na yung sakit ng katawan ko para lang sa gayon, pagkatapos ko dyan, it's not gonna be too painful for my back or my hips, my legs. Hala, talagang lahat na lang I'm in pain. Natatawa kayo, pinapanood niya ako hanggang nagvo-voice over ako dito. Sabi sabi ng nanay ko. So but anyways, ayan, nakaisang bag na ako dyan. So meron part dyan na meron ng frame. Well, luckily, yan yung lalagyan ko ng mga pinaghiwaan ko ng mga balat ng prutas, ng veggies. Usually, inaano namin yan ilalagay namin sa isang container, but I guess it's okay. Just leave it there, and especially mga birds or whoever can eat also from it. So yung yung matitira nila, it can be fertilizer to the sili, mga raming sili. Ang galing pala ng sili, no? Nabubuhay sila. Even kala mo patay na kasi because of the winter time, din sila, nag-sprout back ulit yung mga bagong leaves, and then hoping na magkakaroon dyan ng mga maraming sili for summer. Sa likodan ko, nandiyan lahat nakatanim yung kung saan ako nakatalikod, dyan lahat nakatanim yung 5 kadyos. So yung iba, hindi ko talaga pinitas, gusto kong self-dry sila. Marami pa akong pipitasin na dried kadyos. Kasi sabi nga ng boss ko, di ba yung mga munggo na binibenta sa sa store, And even yung mga lentils na nakikita namin dito sa grocery store, that's in bags. Yan din pala when it's dried, you can still eat it, you can still cook it. So hindi ko pa nga naluluto yung yung BLK. Ay, ano ba? Yeah, baboy lang ka Diyos. But we're gonna do it differently with Janga. It's gonna be baka ka Diyos. Baka lang ka Diyos. Right. And while I'm like, medyo mahaba-haba itong voice over na to. While I'm here, I just want to thank everybody who supported me. Kahit na wala naman ako masyadong ganap, you're all still there, nakiki-engage, nakiki-view, nakiki-share. You know, it is highly appreciated kasi minsan sa sobrang ko rin naman busy, I cannot even engage with all of you guys. Kaya po, humingi po ako ng pasensya towards that. Kasi minsan sa dami ng feed sa aking page and ang daming messages from the messenger, sometimes it's really hard for me to keep up na para makipag-communicate. And salamat na lang kay Jenkel who's always there for kind of to fill me in with all what's going on in the social media. So very thankful sa the International Marites, sa Ka-Blessed, sa mga Chakadora, and everybody else who's always there to support the International Marites. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi ilang years na tayo and we're still like a family na intact. Meron man mawala, but marami naman pong dumadagdag. So, just keep on engaging with everybody and hopefully ma-reach nyo yung goal ninyo in the social media, area. Basta may mga katanungan kayo, ay nako, tanungin niyo lang po si Miss Jenkel at marami po yung alam when it comes to the social media section. So, yun lang. Nasa pangalawang bag pa lang ako pero pagod na ako dyan ha. Pagod na ako. So, I don't know how my boss can keep up with all this backyard cleaning, cutting grass. Kaya naman, this is my small way of para naman to help him out. Kasi talaga naman po, everyday may ginagawa po yung boss M ko. Everyday na lang po. Meron siyang ginagawa. Masipag po talaga yung mag-asawa. Kaya idol ko silang dalawa. So, dito po sa Amerika, it is, I think it is safe to say na bawal ang tamad. Kasi kung tatamad-tamad ka, parang you won't be able to reach for your goal. Kasi di ba marami tayong goals sa buhay, makatulong sa family natin and makatulong sa kapwa natin in a way that we have extra. Kaya, pasalamat sa Diyos at paminsan-minsan ay meron tayong mga extra na biyaya na nasi-share naman natin sa bawat isa. Alright, that's all for now and I hope you enjoyed this video. Even if sabi nga, nakakaantok daw ang aking voice over, wala po ako magagawa. Ganito po talaga ang boses ko sa umaga. Parang bedroom voice. So mag-iingat po kayong lahat palagi and know that I do love you all madami and always praying for good health. Yun lang po. Thank you all for watching. Bye!